chất là lên thiêu vậy.
Đúng rồi.
Rồi thiêu về bản chất sao?
Đó là chỉ là dân tộc Quảng á, là bắt buộc thiếu á.
Mà mấy người gần đây hưởng cái khói nó bệnh chết.
Trời ơi, quen rồi.
Many tourists take a picture.
Cremation ceremony.
Yeah.
So in there's a body inside?
Yeah, inside in the big one.
Oh, in the big one.
No, the small one, no. The big one.
Wow.
Maybe in the big one there is famous people died. Like here we have a kasta. Our kasta, they have 3 kasta. This is Brahman, Vaishya and Sudra. Maybe in the first kasta they do like that.
Bali nhiều, cảnh thiên nhiên.
Here?
In rent ticket,
Okay.
20,000 for one. Yes, you have only 2.
Oh, two.
3.
Oh, okay. Hi. Good afternoon. 2 tickets?
2 tickets,
Yes.
40,000.
Okay. He shows the way.
Mình đi quá trời rồi.
Yeah.
Đi mà hai cái chân mà nó có.
There's so many places to go here in Bali.
Pardon?
So many places.
Yeah.
Trời ơi, hai cái chân của em phải nó đau. Đau.
Đau.
Đau không đau.
Anh quen.
Giờ có đi bộ đâu.
Chụp đây, chụp hình không?
Đó.
Chụp picture here.
Yeah.
There is a
She's tired too. Oh wow, look at that.
Oh.
I swear, like all the place you take us, we can easily spend a day here too.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is the Blangsinga Waterfall, a great location for the photography and Instagram enthusiasts. It is a cool, relaxing atmosphere with the constant natural sound of the waterfall. Depending on when you visit Bali, this location can get quite crowded. It is quite a way down, so when you leave and going back up is a good hike. Overall, a great location for sightseeing. First peak of the waterfall. It's you can feel the mist there, all the mist, the water coming down and all that stuff. But definitely an Instagram spot right here.
walk now, hard walk.
Yeah. Good exercise for her.
Yeah, exercise.
Rồi, nghe
Good
đây.
exercise for you, right, honey? A lot of steps. Her feet is sore
Ôi, gì chưa?
from
Hot
go
chết.
the diamond beach in Nusa Penida. No meaning to the rocks.
Yeah.
People just starting to stack them up.
I was have enough.
Almost there, almost there.
Rồi, lên.
Later in the hotel,
Mm-hmm.
you take massage
Yeah.
for your leg.
Đi vào cái chân nó có mát sồ luôn. Tiếp tục. Lại tiếp tục.
Almost there, almost there.
Again.
We're almost there. A lot of walking, a lot of hills, a lot of stairs, a lot of steps
Oh
on
my
this
God.
trip. Oh yeah.
Ngày nào cũng đi bộ hết.
Thank you.
Giờ mình đi restaurant cái gì nữa?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to restaurant.
We're gonna go eat
Your holiday, many adventure.
and many adventure. After a long day exploring Bali, we ended our night at this restaurant. If you just come across our channel, make sure you check out the video at the monkey forest and the rice terrace. This is the third location on the same day. It has a great ambience and a great way to end our day.
Mình vô Bali ăn cái nhà hàng này cũng được.
Đẹp chứ?
Nhà nó bự, cái nhà này lớn.
Wow, it's really nice restaurant.
Ở đây. Nhà nó vậy là lớn rồi đó. Hả? Nhiều người tới ăn sáng.
Wow. No, it's okay. It should be okay. You recommend it should be okay.
Ngồi đây hả?
Yeah. Wow, đẹp chưa?
Bây giờ ngồi đây, ngồi đây.
Ngồi đây đi.
Ngồi đây ha.
Yeah.
This little bit Balinese.
Balinese food.
The menu.
Yeah. So your first time with guests
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Give me a high five. Say hi. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. What do you recommend? That's
For him,
for me.
me
She's done.
Fried rice.
She's fried rice and a soup.
Soup.
Yeah, what do you recommend for me?
Have you been try this crispy duck?
Crispy duck?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, we can try that.
Cái
Yeah.
đó nào?
You
Okay.
taste which one?
So I'll just get this crispy duck for
One
me.
crispy duck.
Yeah, with rice.
This one already included.
Already.
Oh, rice is included? Okay.
Inside.
Got it,
Crispy duck, one crispy duck.
Yep.
Yes.
Si campur
Ah.
satu.
Gọi
Nasi campur Bali.
Okay. And then for her, she take one of those, yeah?
Soto ayam Bali.
Mm-hmm.
fried rice.
And the fried rice dish.
Jumbo ada ya.
Yep.
You ada one crispy duck, and then one nasi campur Bali, and then one soto ayam Bali jumbo, and then one nasi goreng seafood, and then the drink, one hot tea, and then one coconut. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, she
Đừng đây, đừng
You
đây.
can-
Cái này là
Good
the
body.
soup. Always, I always like the soup.
Yeah.
That's why
After-
your body is so good. Yeah.
After I tire, because I eat soup make me better.
Oh.
My body like that. That's why I
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Always eat the soup.
Oh, yeah. But still,
We
okay.
go to Singapore, we eat too much.
Like
Yeah.
And we
Singapore
go
over
here.
here.
Oh, you have been in Singapore also?
Singapore before here. We were in Singapore.
Singapore beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey, so
We should take
Soto
a
ayam Bali
picture.
jumbo.
We should take a picture.
Oh, thank you. You want soup too?
No, thank you. Enough for me.
Nasi goreng seafood.
Hani like cái phone của anh chụp hình.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy your dinner.
Can you help us take a
Hey.
picture?
Okay.
Take a picture.